Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're checking out this badass rotisserie restored 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. Great color. Rotisserie done, so painted body color underneath, 4-speed, 454 underneath the hood. Super badass car. It's a really cold day here today. We've had this Chevelle out here idling, warming up for about half an hour.
What a beautiful color, Dalton. And what a car.
Yeah, gorgeous color, and all painted the same color underneath. Really nice restoration on this one. Beautiful engine compartment, bottom of the hood's painted nice, inner fenders are painted nice to match. It's got the factory trim tag there still on the cowl.
Brand new heater box, power steering, power disc brakes. And I'll tell you what, this one, we had the engine completely overhauled, spent about 5,000 bucks on it. It's 450 horse. It's got a lot of power.
Yeah, cool car. Power steering and power brakes, headers. Got some nice equipment, nice options with this one. Blue with the white SS stripes is really hard to beat. Hood lines up great.
And it's a 70. I mean, the best Chevelle ever produced, according to many people.
Front bumper looks great. Headlight bezels are nice and clean. Looks like those were replaced at time of restoration. Hood fits great here in the front.
The body is laser straight, and like Dalton said, I mean, to get a car to the quality, look at our undercarriage pictures, coyoteclassics.com. To have one that's all painted body color underneath and looks that good, a lot of money and time was spent on this one.
For sure. Windshield's nice and clear. Brand new wheels and brand new Cooper Cobra raised white letter tires.
This one came in with it had some nice wheels on it, some aftermarket wheels, but with the quality of this build and painted underneath, we thought it really deserved a set of correct 70 Super Sport wheels. We went ahead and did the 15x7s in the front, 15x8s in the back with a brand new set of Cooper Cobra tires.
Door fits excellent, as you mentioned already. Really straight body. I mean, this thing could be painted black. Everything lines up great.
Bottom of the door is awesome. Corners of the doors are really good as well. Bucket seat, console interior with the factory 4-speed down there. Looks good. All the correct SS gauges with working tack. Really nice local car show quality build. Turnkey car is how I like to put it. We went through all the gauges and stuff like that, made sure everything worked. Just a really fun jump in and drive 70 Chevelle.
Rubbers are nice too, nice and pliable. Interior's in great shape.
How would you consider it? You could take it to any show and be super proud of it, but it's not a trailer queen. It's one you want to drive.
Yeah, it's not a trailer queen, but definitely can win you some trophies at a local car show. Great looking, and just kind of like you said there, really nice car. One you'd want to drive because
it's awesome.
Yeah, very nice, but not so perfect and so expensive.
You're scared to drive it. You know, it's one of the nicer 70s we've had for a long time, though.
Even this, I never filled in these body lines with fill or nothing like that. That's all in great shape.
Looks like the taillight lenses, reverse lenses, back bumper, dual exhaust. Everything is excellent back there as well.
Trunk lid lines up great.
As you know, with the 1970, you know, there's just no VIN number that decodes if it's a clone or a real deal. We can't prove this to be a clone or prove it to be a real deal Super Sport. But the price also reflects that.
I'll let you do this side.
As we go down both of the lower quarters, no bubbles, blisters. Both of the doors are super straight and clean. And how the doors fit that quarter and rocker panel. Same thing with the front edge of the door, how it meets the fender. Very impressive there. Beautiful blue paint. Door panels are in good shape, armrest pads, bases. The top of the dash pad's in great shape. It's got a brand new Super Sport steering wheel, tack and gauges. Door jamb paint. Just like the bottom of the car, the bottom of the trunk lid, everything is great shape. Both of the dome lights work underneath there, and the dome light works on top as well. Back seat, front seats, all in good shape. Headliner's nice. It's got the overhead seat belts. Just really nothing to talk poorly about on this 70 Chevelle.
It's a cold one today.
Starts nice and easy as well. We've had it running here, so it's about 190 degrees after it that's coming right down to now. Oil pressure, like I said, completely rebuilt engine, just broke it in. It's got 60 pounds oil pressure after it's warmed up to 190 degrees. Wipers work as well. They do have new blades on them. Don't shut it off. Park. It's got aftermarket oil pressure, aftermarket temp gauge. That way, especially when we rebuild a motor, we want to know exactly what that is all running rather than just the factory ones here. The original gas gauge works. We're just over a half a tank. TAC works. And as far as the speedometer shows, 107,000 miles.
Headliner is really nice and tight too. It's a good car. I mean, I spent a lot of money on it. If you're to do a restoration like this today, I mean, you're spending $100 grand.
And then when we got it, you know what I mean? It just, the engine runs strong. It just, for some reason, it just had just a little bit of, vibration to it. We pulled it all apart, did clutch pressure plate throw bearing, and had that motor, like I said, completely overhauled. Got a great big block sound, don't it?
Yes, it does.
I know the boys, when they took this for a drive after they broke it in, it was just, they were very, very impressed with the power. There's your brakes. Brakes are perfect. Speedometer has a little bit of a bounce, but like I said, it's cold. Shift, 4,000. What a nice car.
Yeah, I think it's sweet.
75. One other thing, we do have it scheduled for an alignment. It goes perfectly straight down the road, but the steering wheel is off just a little bit there. We're going to go through the gears and synchros here in a second. Go ahead and do kind of a high-speed braking here. Brakes work perfect. Go ahead and turn it around and we'll go through the gears. There's your first synchro. Goes right into first. Transmission feels great into all the gears here. Wants to go, don't she?
Yep.
It handles awesome too. The steering is great.
Man, it just pulls, don't it?
It's got everything you want, don't it?
Yeah.
The guys did amazing on it. As far as gears, you have to check with your salesman on that. We mark them all down. I'm guessing it's probably 373s.
Yep.
But it drives perfect. Here's your third gear synchro. We're going to slow her down a little bit. There you go. Second gear synchro. And first. Look at that.
Nice. Sweet car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.